बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. In this video, I am going to share with you most stunning and most beautiful button art and craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, these are very amazing and very stunning handmade button craft ideas for you guys. So guys, these are very amazing. These are very unique and very beautiful button craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. These are very beautiful, these are very amazing handmade button art and craft ideas for you guys. So viewers, hope so guys you all are doing well. Guys, these are very pretty handmade collection for you guys. So viewers, I am glad to see you all guys. I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are super trending, super amazing and very beautiful ideas for you guys. So viewers, keep supporting my channel and keep watching my videos. These are very beautiful, these are very amazing and very stunning button art and craft ideas for you guys. I hope so viewers, you all are doing well, and these are very pretty, these are very amazing and very stunning button craft ideas for you guys. So take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz guys.